Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the pollen filter on this BMW 320 diesel 2008 model. So the location for the pollen filter is just under here. Okay, so there are 1, 2, there's third one here, bolt, fourth one here, fifth one just there, and the sixth one here. Okay, there are 6 bolts to remove to get to the pollen filter. So we're just gonna crack them open. There we go. That's the pollen filter. It's in a really bad condition. So just gonna pull it out. These clips here. Okay, so there we go. That's the old pollen filter. Okay, so we're going to change it with the new one. Right, so there we go, that's the filter we're going to use, and we are using a crossline make. So just going to take this out of the box. So the way it goes is like this. Like that. Just gonna clip it in here, and then one clip here, and the third one just here. There we go. That's that nicely secured. Okay. So it gets placed in like this, like that. One bolt goes here. And one here. And the last one just here. There we go friends, that's the new cabin filter fitted in no time. Thank you very much for watching the video.